all, welcome back again. So today I am here with an interesting video that how we can make a chapati dough using this food processor. So this is the blade we are going to use for this. First let me fix this blade. If you are having this kind of food processor, just 2 to 3 minutes is enough to make a dough. So do try today itself. Let me fix this. Yes, now it's done. Now let me add the required amount of flour. As we are 5 members, I am taking 3 to 4 cups of flour. I think you can need up to 7 to 8 cups of flour in one time. Let me add enough salt into it, and here I am adding a tablespoon of oil for the softness. If you want, you can add, or else you can skip this. Now let's close the lid. Here I am using the Bosch product, so that I have to close everything tightly. If it's not closed, it won't work. Now let's pulse this just for 5 to 10 seconds to get everything incorporate well. Now it's done. Now switch it on. Let's start to add water. Add water gradually, little by little. Don't go to add completely at one time, so that we won't get perfect consistency. Add water little by little. Here I have taken 5 cups of flour, so we will need approximately like 2¼ cup of water. Now we can see the flour starts to get binded. Same way we can also prepare a dough for the puris, and for pizza also you can do the same method. Just add all the ingredients together, put all the ingredients together and turn it on for 5 to 6 minutes. Very easy. Now you can see that flour has binded. Now switch it off, and now let's check the consistency. Here the water is enough, it's perfect. So close the lid and switch it on. Just turn it for 1 more minute. Our dough will be ready. No problem, if you want you can give more minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes. Then the chapati will be very soft. If you are in hurry, within 3 minutes our dough will be ready for making chapatis. Now the chapati dough is ready to prepare. Now you can see how soft is this. So now with this easy method, you won't have trouble for making chapati. Hope this video is helpful. So do try and do put your comments below. See you soon with more such videos. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.